40th President of the United States was Ronald Reagan. He presided over the country from 1981 to 1989. He campaigned on cutting taxes, cutting the federal budget, and increasing defense spending, which was a recipe for deficit spending and inflation, and that's what we got. However, the author of this article from Wealth Management magazine gave President Reagan points for supporting tough anti-inflation policies of the Federal Reserve Board Chair, Paul Volker. He was a Carter appointee. Now, this was politically painful, according to the author, for Reagan. It gave high interest rates, yet he accepted the necessity, which caused a recession. Now, what he did was politically harmful to him, politically incorrect, but the correct thing to do. Something, a good lesson for all politicians. He was known for Reaganomics, and that was comprised of combating inflation, tax cuts followed by tax increases, deregulation. He increased the age for recipients for Social Security and also increased payroll taxes. So President Reagan, the 40th President of the United States, I remember him as having a tremendous sense of humor, and I love people with a sense of humor. It's a good thing to be able to laugh at ourselves, and especially when we get into tough times, it's really nice to be able to step back and laugh, maybe go back to memories that made us laugh, maybe whatever, to bring a smile to our face, because nothing is ever as dark and bleak as we may think. There's always a bright spot. We just have to look for it sometimes. I'm Lois Carrier, Certified Financial Planner, President of Worthwhile Wealth Council, fee only, fiduciary only, Certified Financial Planners. We're more than happy to help any one of you with any questions you have. That's what we enjoy doing, is helping people in all things financial and giving you that peace of mind about everything financial. Thanks for tuning in.